Hey everyone, welcome back to IDplex. We've conquered the settings and mastered the products in the first two parts of our Shopify store creation journey. But your store needs more than just products, it needs a personality and a user-friendly experience to convert those visitors into loyal customers. In this exciting part 3, we'll be focusing on the art of Shopify store customization and creating strategic collections. By the end of this video, you'll be able to showcase your products in a way that entices customers to explore and buy. So grab a coffee because we're diving deep into the world of store customization. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips from IDplex. Let's do this. Brother, go to your Google Chrome and from there you have to open your store here. Here you can customize own store online. How can you customize the options? How to do it? You can go to the online store. When you have purchased a plan, you will not see such option here. You can also work on Sense themes and also there are many free options as well. Today we'll work on craft theme. And look here, it is getting installed. After installing, as soon as you install the theme, it takes some time and you have to wait for some time. You can see it according to your own, see all the things which you like more. Hence you can publish it here. Let's publish the craft link. Now our store has become public. Just like you will purchase the basic plan, you will purchase the basic plan. Here you will get the option to remove password from here, just like you will remove the password. So once you remove your password, it will be automatically activated on Google. Then you can share this link with anyone and they will be able to visit your store from here. If you want a link, then purchase this basic plan. And then if you share this link with anyone, then they will have access to your store. That means they will be able to visit your store. So let's just go back and talk about how you can customize it, how you can create collections. You can see rich text here in the starting section. Brother, you can customize on your store. Okay, what is a feature product? What is a feature collection? If you have created a main collection, then you can directly show a complete collection here on the home page. Like we have created a feature collection page and here we have done it here. You can type any product related here, simply select product and create collections. Simple. I will select the men product here. I will select it directly and I can select the feature collection here. Brother, look at this. And as you select the collection, the projects will automatically be placed here. Simply select here. This is your feature collection. You can view the entire collection in feature collection. Then on the other side, there is another one. Your feature product is the feature product. Just like you have any highlighted good product, then you want to show it on the store. Then from here directly, the same product will be shown to you here. As soon as you enter the product link, your product will become active here. How to activate a simple feature by selecting the product, whatever product directory is enabled here, you can do many settings and check all the settings properly. There is no need to change everything here, see right now. As long as you maintain the norm, there is no problem here. You can make changes. You will not understand this. I will tell you properly until you work on it yourself. Unless you see and judge, you will not understand the props here. This is a feature product. You can directly add any feature product here. Many people had doubts that, brother, how can we add other products for fake use? For example, if you want properly until you work on it yourself. Unless you see and judge, you will not understand the props here. This is a feature product. You can directly add any feature product here. Many people had doubts that, brother, how can we add other products for fake use? For example, if you want to add what is delivery time, then type the description here like delivery within 5 to 6 days. You can also add some using ChatGPT help. Okay, let's put it here, Fecos. Okay, it will look better here. And now, if any person visits my store here, he will see here what is the delivery time for him. It is simple here. You can see the answer with delivery here. You can select 4 or 5 pages using GPT and write, what is it from my online store? It will give you many suggestions. So you can suggest anything according to your choice and write here. If there is a store, then you will not have to do much work in it. You will keep everything normally, only then do a little detailing so that you can get some sales can come, and from here you can also add text to the image. There is a sale to say image text, see sometime. You can also choose which type of image you like from stock footages. You can find image to text. First, I have some images. Line here I am adding 1 or 2 images and showing them to you. Once you sit down and do everything on your own, it will seem as if everything will be done here. You can see your image has been uploaded. For mobile phones, automatically, all the mobile phone users will remain the same and keep checking every now and then for which desktop you have to download the image. Look, if we want to make this type of image for the desktop, then you will not have to add these pictures. Here you will have to add such a picture so that you can see it in the mobile phone also. At present, you can find different images also for desktop here. You can customize own. I am just showing you the way. Everything is separated here. So that's why you check center, middle, everything here. Here is your according objection. Your contact and alignment is here. There has been a change here, meaning you can also add a second image in the desktop image place. And placement should be as you can do it. You will sit down to do one thing yourself. You can put small image here. The height of the image is here. And you have to try to make one which can be done in this way, because you will see that the one in the ratio did not have an image of the ratio. So I have put a diagram to give you an example. You have to place it such that the props remain in the same ratio so that the imager here fits for both mobile phones and desktops. So at present, all such images were fit for properly on mobile phone, but it was not fit for desktop. So you will have to do it in a simple way. You have to do it like this, and after scrolling a little, I will tell you some more options which will be available to you. It will be helpful for you. Then it will be like tomorrow that brother. Tomorrow you have to properly customize your store here. Here you can put a banner, a slideshow. A slide means a lot of images at sea. You can add 2-3 images here and you can create many more slides here. What will happen is that how you slide the image will give a very good and attractive look to your store. There is a change going on here. You have to reduce it to 3 seconds. Brother, what will happen from the second? You will keep changing here in between. You can download it anywhere according to your liking here also. Simple to tap it, here the option of image will appear. So you will only have the images which you will add here. So you can see a lot of images here in library. From here you can easily apply it on everything. And look at this, if this image is not good, then change it if you feel like it. See whose quality is a little better. Like this happened. Its quality looks a little good. By adding points you get many good images too. Remember, the quality is good. If you put all that in, then it will be more. Check it. If not that many images are good, then like this, and you can set up it anywhere above or below according to you here. No problem. Here you can set up it wherever you like. Add something like this here. You have to create it here. Below you have to add that you had created in the computer. You have to add it here. Once you have created a menu, you can add the menu here. Now look at this. Yesterday we had created, like you would have created a lot of you. Then all of you will start doing options here. It has already been done yesterday class, like pages in the store here. You have made the product listing. You will not be able to do it in 1 hour or two. Take a little proper time and look properly. If you have to build the store only once, then take some time and do it well. You will get all the options here, and you can add all the options from multi-column to the review section from here. It does not mean that you can work on this theme. A lot of whatever I have just provided, meaning whatever it depends on each other, you can delete it, you can post it. You can customize your store and ad section and create college, email sign up, contact form, and also write blog posts, whatever you like. According to the store, if the name of the store is anything, then you can enter the name of the Play Store here, like Sizey. But now the site has come. Here you go back to the site, and then here you can find a little description about your store here, and you can write description using ChatGPT. Now if you say, how can I find out details for my store using ChatGPT? Then come to GPT. Then you can type some text of my online e-commerce store. You can copy and paste and give your store name also. It find out relevant answers from GPT. Write descriptions and click on save. You can do this by copying and pasting it here in the description. Remember that here you have to enter the name of your store. Here you must enter the name of your store. Here write the name of your store which looks attractive. Here you can customize your store properly by using all these options. Yes, brother, how can you make a collection here? I have added all the main products in the collection, like you will add the collection feature collection. All the products will start appearing properly here. At present, if you have a website available in the group, for example, then you have to look at this website. And from the next day, we will have to start proper Facebook ads. How should you start setting Facebook ads? We will start from after tomorrow, brother. Do whatever you want till tomorrow. Do something and make store look attractive. So that's all for today. Till then, happy selling.